Operation guidance of installation of single-layer tapping machine. 1. Installation of the equipment. The distance between the payoff rack and the tapping machine is about 2 meters, and the distance between the tapping machine and the torque take-up is about 1.5 meters. It is required to place these devices according to the center of the inlet and outlet wire of them without the need of fixing. 2. Connection of the mainframe. The power of the machine is designed with a 3-phase 4-wire system. R, S, and T are 3-phase, 380 voltage, while N is the zero line. The take-up module of the torque take-up machine is connected to the torque of terminal row, while the cooling fan is connected to the fan of the terminal row. In addition, open the main air switch within the electric cabinet and turn the power switch on the panel to on place. Check whether the direction of the cooling fan and take-up fan is correct. If not, please change any corresponding connection of 2 phases. 3. Threading and device bobbin. Install the payoff bobbin and make the wire get through the disconnection swing link. And then the wire will get out the shaft center by wire guide wheel. Install the shaft mold, and then mount a bobbin of belting on the tapping bobbin, and feel the force of the tension by adjusting the pressure of the spring with hands. Install the mold rod with sufficient belting and then hold the rod with disc. The upper die is installed for threading and connecting the lead, the capstan wheel from the captain wheel, and the wind wheel groove back and forth. Open the torque controller. Adjust the tension knob and feel the force of the tension by hand. 4. Start up covered wire. Pull the belting to the covered wire materials by winding and belting to the pulling bar, and rotate the belting bobbin by hands to pack the belt and then adhere the joint. Select linkage to adjust the capstan speed to 5 also, and the tapping speed is adjusted to 0. Then press the Start-up button to slowly adjust and accelerate the tapping speed. At this time, the meter counter needs to be reset to 0 by pressing RST key. Set the needed meter number, and the payoff tension can be adjusted by hand wheel and not according to the different payoff force. Operation guidance of installation of automatic cooling machine. First, installation of the equipment. For the installation of the equipment, fix the payoff rack and the meter count rack firstly, according to the installation schematic diagram in the specification, after making the traverse in test operation. 2. Connection of the mainframe. The power of the machine is designed with the 3-phase 4-wire system. R, S, and T are 3-phase 380 voltage. N is the zero line, and E is the ground wire. The photoelectric switch of payoff rack P, I, and D shall be connected correspondingly. The meter count encoder is directly connected to the corresponding plus 12 voltage CP2 OV CPI E-kissing on the metering gauge. Close the switch of the empty machine and open the power control switch. Press start to adjust the speed of the empty machine and the widest of the coiling. The groove of the line retaining plate must point to that of the deck mechanism. 4. Adjustment of meter number. Press the right lower arrow key. The upper part will display H1 while the lower part will indicate the meter number. The meter number for shutdown you want. The digit is moved by the right arrow key and the upper key is used for increase and decrease. After setting, press MOD to confirm. The upper window will display L while the lower will display the meter number of the speed reduced in advance. Generally, speed reducing is carried out with 5 to 10 minutes in advance and then press mode twice for confirmation. Finally, it will come back to the standby status. 5. Upper payoff bobbin. Wind the wire according to the wire winding method on the schematic diagram of the specification. And then cut the wire end. Press the meter number reset key for return to 0. In addition, insert the wire to the hole of the taper hole and arrange the first wire circle by hands. Start again and it will shut down automatically after speed is adjusted to the corresponding meter number.